Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Canva using your phone. So the first thing you want to do is to open your browser, whichever you prefer. I'm going to use Google Chrome, and in the search bar I'm going to type Canva. And it should be the first link. And now we are in the Canva website, is canva.com. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap login on the right hand corner, and I can either use my Google account or my Facebook account to log in. Otherwise I can just go with my email. I'm going to continue with Google, but it doesn't really matter. So that's it, we are logged into Canva. All our projects are here, and we can use this mobile interface to edit our designs. Another thing you can do if you want to use Canva with your phone is go to the Play Store and search for Canva. And install the app. Once it's installed, make sure you tap open. And then again, we can either use Google or Facebook to log in. We could also try to use our email and so on. So I'm going to use Google, and there you have it. So I have all my designs here, and I can use this application to customize them and so on. So that's it for today. Make sure you leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.